Here's what the law we've already passed has done for the first time ever. Every year from this point on, every year, calendar year, Medicare will negotiate the cost of additional prescription drugs. Earlier this year, I announced that Medicare reached an agreement with drug manufacturers on 10 new drugs that Medicare picked and said we're going to negotiate. The most common, most expensive drugs that treat everything from kidney disease to arthritis to blood cancer and more. These new low prices for all 10 drugs will go into effect in January 2026 and cut the prices on those 10 drugs by between 40 and 80%. The next year, Medicare will negotiate another lower price, for 15 additional drugs. And every year thereafter, till we get after 20 drugs, until every drug is covered that's on the market. Every one. It's already passed. Folks, it isn't just saving seniors money. I said, it's also saving taxpayers billions of dollars because Medicare will no longer have to pay exorbitant prices to pharma. Over the next 10 years, just so far, the newer lower drug prices and other reforms, we've cut the federal deficit by $160 billion, while he raised it by $200 billion. I'm serious. Think about it. Look, I'm a capitalist. I was listed for 36 years as the poorest man in Congress, but I'm still a capitalist. You think I'm kidding? I got a phone call. I was campaigning for a colleague who was no longer around, but was up in this neck of the woods in Vermont, not Bernie, but his predecessor. And I got a phone call from my wife. She said, Joe. Well, actually, I called home. When I'm away, I called to see how the kids are doing before she goes off to teach. I said, hey, Joe, how are you? Fine. You know you're in trouble when you get that answer. I give my words by the true story. He said, did you read today's paper? I said, honey, they don't have the Wilmington News Journal up here. She said, well, headline, Biden, poorest man in Congress. Is that true? I said, I don't know, but I guess I was for 36 years. I never thought I didn't have any money, but I had a good salary. Look, but I'm a capitalist. And without competition, it's not capitalism, it's exploitation. When Big Pharma doesn't play by the rules, competitors can't offer lower-priced drugs and devices to carry those drugs. So prices stay artificially high. And look, but we're taking action.